arena. Wow, look at us. We are going to wash our clothes in the river with Mama. Let's go, Mom.
Wait, Tamu. We have to sort the clothes first.
Okay, Mama.
Before we wash the clothes, we must sort them first. White in one pile and dark in the other. And the bright colors on their own.
Why can't we just wash them together? It's faster.
Because when dark clothes meet white clothes in water, they sometimes share the color.
Whoa, that's like magic. Let's go, Mom.
It's not magic, Tamu. Wait for us.
Auntie, did you know that you have to separate dark clothes and white before washing?
Yes, and also we sort the delicate to get gentle washing and tough ones for more scrubbing.
Yay, we are here. This would be so fun.
Yes, Tamu. Today you are going to learn how to soak, scrub, rinse, and wring out the clothes in clean water.
Wash, wash, wash in the bubbly water. Rub, rub, rub till it's clean and brighter. Rinse, rinse, rinse in the cool, fresh stream. Hang it up and watch it gleam. Wash, rinse, cook and spin. We clean it up, then we tuck it in. Mix, roll, cook and grin. Work together, let the fun begin.
Just for being so nice, we are going to make your favorite supper, chapati. But first, you have to tell Baba what happened to his white shirt. You didn't listen, Tamu, did you?
Why is my white shirt pink? What happened?
Sorry, Dad. It was magic. Come on, Tima. Let's help Mama cook chapati. Let's go and fetch firewood. I'm so happy. My favorite.
We're making chapati with Mama today. Flour in the bowl, hooray, hooray. A pinch of salt and water too. Mix it up, that's what we do. Roll it round, roll it flat. Flip it once, just like that. Golden brown, nice and hot. Chapati yummy, we've got a lot. Knead, knead, knead till the dough is smooth. Mama shows the rolling groove. Brown like the sun in the morning sky. Onto the pan, here sizzle, oh my. Roll it round, roll it flat. Flip it once, just like that. Golden brown, nice and hot. Chapati yummy, we've got a lot. One for Tamu and one for Tima. One for Baba with his big keema. Mama smiles, we all agree. Chapati love for the family. Roll it round, roll it flat.